guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, I'm Kaylin. I'm 24 and I film a lot of fashion, lifestyle, and productivity content. And welcome to my Sunday reset routine. If you guys watch my videos, then you know I love a good reset routine. I film my monthly reset routine every single month of like goal setting, budgeting, financial planning, just kind of like setting myself up to have a good month. So I thought it'd be like a fun switch up to kind of show you guys what I do on a weekly basis to kind of like set myself up to have a good productive week, you know, ahead of me. Now I do want to make a little disclaimer and just like tell you guys that I do not have my life together this much. Like, this is what my ideal Sunday looks like. Some things I do every Sunday, some things I want to start incorporating, some things, you know, if it's a really good Sunday, if I'm feeling productive, I'll do, and like if it's like a lazy Sunday, then I'll just kind of skip it. I'm trying to have my life together. I'm trying to do this every Sunday. This is like my ideal Sunday, but this absolutely does not happen every Sunday. You know, there's Sundays where I just like lay on the couch all day and it happens. It's life. Also comment down below what your guys' favorite like Sunday or like weekly reset routine activity is. I would love to know because I'm always looking to like incorporate new things in my weekly reset routine. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. First things first, we are going to wash these sheets. I did make my bed this morning just out of habit. I did wash our sheets like 2 days ago because Devin and I went on like a little like overnight trip and I just like wanted to come back to fresh sheets. So I did wash our sheets, but I do need to wash our pillowcases, like I said, and duvet cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. I like to start that as early as possible. Otherwise, I just won't finish it. Like, it just won't get done. It'll be 10 o'clock at night and the sheets will still be in the washer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these in the washer. And then we're gonna go ahead and go to the grocery store because I like to get everything out of the way, like out of the house first. So that way, like once I'm home for the day. Like I don't have to worry about like going out again. So we're gonna go throw these in the washer, go to the grocery store, and then I'll show you guys what I picked up for some food. I'm in line at Starbucks. I just wanted to come through here really quickly and grab an iced matcha green tea latte. That just sounds really good right now. But we are out and about. I'm going to run into Target and then the grocery store. I just need to run into Target to grab a flower vase because Maya, our dog, actually shattered ours the other day. So we're gonna run in there, grab one of those, and then we're actually gonna run into the grocery store to grab some food for the week. I always write my groceries on a paper list. Like, for some reason, like my grocery list has to be on paper. I just like don't really like using like the notes on my phone or something for it. So we have a paper grocery list. This will hopefully be a more affordable trip since it's a lot of produce, but I want to grab some bell peppers, some bagels, fruit, onion, celery, some lentils, some frozen veggies, a lemon, tomatoes, bacon, eggs, some basil, some olive oil, coffee, asparagus, and spinach. So not too much, just a lot of like little things for dinners for the week, a lot of fresh things. If you guys watch my budget videos, you know like we were spending way too much money on groceries, so now we just kind of go once a week. It's gotta last us. We just kind of like plan out our dinners for the week and then obviously have leftovers. Have a grande iced matcha tea latte, please, with 2 pumps of vanilla.
Grande matcha, 2 vanilla. What else for you?
That's it. Thank you. You too. So good. I'm back from the store, so I'll show you guys some of the things that we got. Honestly, it's nothing too exciting, so I'll show you guys only like the, I guess, more interesting things. But I grabbed some fruit to have for breakfast. So we have some grapes, and some blueberries. We have some bell peppers. We actually needed some coffee. This is the coffee that Devin and I drink. It is the Starbucks Pike Place coffee. We've tried so many different coffee brands, and this one's by far our favorite. It is a little bit more expensive, but this one is super, super good. So this is the coffee that we drink. For some reason, I was craving Cool Ranch Doritos, so I grabbed a bag of Cool Ranch Doritos. Also, I am parrot sitting my parents' bird, so if you guys hear any talking or any noises in the background, she's literally sitting right here, so that's what it is. I thought that these were so pretty together. I love the color with like the white, so I got these to go together. They smell so good too. So we got some flowers. And then I also grabbed some of these Partake chocolate chip cookies. We've had the birthday cake kind, and they are so good. Like, something about them, they're like very like mildly sweet, but they are delicious. They're obviously still not healthy, but they are a little bit of a healthier alternative. We also opened the box and tried them, and the chocolate chip ones are so good. But they only have 8 grams of added sugar per 3 cookies, which if you guys look at like a typical cookie box, it has like 10 or 12 typically per 1 cookie. So the fact that this is a serving size is 3 cookies is really, really good. Everything else is pretty boring and like just like pretty basic. We got some bananas, some celery, some onions. So I'm gonna go ahead, put everything away before it gets warm. I am gonna wash the fruit and cut the bell peppers first, because if we do not cut the bell peppers, the chances of them going bad go up like so much. We'll probably put in a little laundry, do a little bit of planning for the week. I also need to clean up because I have stuff all over the apartment. So we'll see what's next after I put all of this away, but for now, I'm gonna put all of this in the fridge. Look how pretty these look, you guys. I love them so much. This is actually my first time buying like 2 sets of flowers and making my own arrangement. I'm not really sure what types of flowers they are. We have some of these. We have like these really pretty like small pink ones. I just think the whole thing turned out really good. I love them. And the dogs are trying so hard to be good because I've been yelling at them not to play because they always try to do this when I film. Maya's trying to get her. This is my dog, by the way, if you guys are new here. This is Maya. This is my parents' dog, Macy. And they love each other so much. They're like best friends. And then Parrot, like I said, I'm parrot sitting. This is my parents' bird, Kita. Say hi, everybody. She does talk, but she's not going to right now because she hates talking on camera. Groceries are done and put away. I think right now I'm gonna do like a 20-minute power clean. I just like the bathrooms, it gets so messy over the weekend because obviously like I get ready in them and then I leave my makeup out everywhere, if you guys can like even see from back here. So I'm also gonna wipe off my desk. That's another big thing that I like to do on Sundays. Even if it doesn't really need cleaned, it's nice to just kind of like go over it again. I kind of like disinfect it, organize it, just make sure it's good for the work week. To me, that's the worst, like getting up, it's Monday morning, you don't want to work, and then you have like a messy desk. So at least like having it organized and having everything set up and ready to go for you Monday morning just makes it a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead, like just do a quick little power clean. I'm going to wipe down my desk and then we're gonna plan for the week, but I at least like need to do this because this is driving me crazy.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice.
Also gonna quickly sort and put away our laundry. I love doing this on Sundays. Okay, I'm not gonna say I love doing it, okay? That was I prefer to do it since we all have to do it on a Sunday. So that way, you know, for work, if I'm doing anything through the week, everything's nice and clean and put away. So I really recommend doing that, is like trying to get as much laundry done as you can and put away too, like not just like, you know, clean in a hamper somewhere. That way you have a nice, fresh and clean clothes for the start of a week.
What got me down? Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah.
Alright, I'm sitting at my desk. I'm pulling my budget up now. I also have my planner here too. I love this planner so much. I've talked about it before. This is the Rachel Parcel planner for Blue Sky. I'm not really sure. I just got it at Target, but it is so nice. I love it. The reason why I want to start doing a weekly budget, I actually might have said this in the beginning of the video, but because I'm finding like I love doing obviously my budget monthly, but typically like a few days before the end of the month, I'll go through, do my budget, film the video, and see like, you know, how my income and spending was. But it's definitely something that I want to start keeping up with weekly. So obviously every Sunday, like go through all my transactions, update my monthly budget, just to see kind of like where we're at, like if I already like, you know, maxed out my restaurant budget or if I have a little bit more to spend. So that way it kind of eliminates any surprises at the end of the month. So I'm going to pull up my budget. I'm not going to do like a full budget with me just because this Sunday is actually the first Sunday of the month. So what I'm going to do is actually just like start my budget, like just go ahead and set a budget for the upcoming month. And then next Sunday I'll go through and kind of like go through my transactions. So if you guys are new here or you didn't watch my monthly reset routine, I actually created my own budget spreadsheet and I actually started my own online Etsy store, which is really exciting. I've been having so much fun just creating digital downloads for you guys. So I do sell this on my Etsy store. I will have that link down below for you guys. Very, very, very affordable. It has monthly tabs, which you guys will see, and then it also has an annual dashboard. Made it very affordable for you guys, but I am also running just like a continuous discount code. No matter if you watch this like 5 months after I posted this video, the discount code will still be active. It's just code RESET for 20% off. Just something little, you know, as a little thank you for watching this video and supporting my channel. So yeah, you guys can use code RESET for 20% off. Alright, so here we go. This is obviously my budget template for the month of May. Obviously, since like I said, this is the first Sunday of the month, there's not any data in here. So I'm going to go ahead and set a budget, but I'm not going to go too in depth. Like I said, this is not a budget with me. It's just like a quick little like segment, I guess, that I wanted to include because I do think budgeting is so important, and especially now like checking it on a weekly basis. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my budget for the month, and then I'll go ahead and talk about it in a second. But for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of like work the numbers and you know, set our budget.
I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good.
Okay, so here's what the budget looks like. I was trying to be like really conservative with the numbers. Hopefully I make more, then obviously I can save more. But if you guys have never seen this budget template, then when I go ahead and I enter in like the actual data up here, then it will fill in like these bars here actually. So I'm going to put 800, then you can kind of see, like you can see what you budgeted versus what you actually spent. So yeah, then obviously down here too, your expense breakdown, so that way you can see which expense category you spent the most in. So, and then you also have an annual dashboard, which I actually need to go and finish for the month of April. I still need to go through some transactions. I've just been lazy about that, but then this is why I need to do it weekly, so that way at the end of the month I don't have an entire month of transactions to go through. Now that our budget's done, we're gonna go ahead and plan out our week. So I'm just gonna open up my planner here. I personally think just like sitting down and taking 5 or 10 minutes on a Sunday to like really just kind of like plan out your week. You don't even have to plan everything out, but just like kind of plan out a general idea of how your week's gonna go, I think can make the biggest difference in your week. But just like go through, see if you have any important dates, maybe due dates, meetings, appointments, go through, write those down, plan out your workout schedule. This one is a big one for me, so that way I know exactly what days I'm going to the gym. Otherwise I'll wake up the day and be like, am I gonna go to the gym today? Not today. So this is what my planner looks like for the week. Something that I love about this planner is that every single week you have top goals. Like, it's not only for the month. If I can flip a page, like every single week you have top goals for the week, which I think is super helpful. I'm gonna quickly do this and I'll show you guys kind of like what my outline for the week looks like. Alright, so here is what the beginning of the week is looking like. So I'll start over here with the top goals. I want to work out 5 times this week. I want to finish the book that I'm reading, upload 2 YouTube videos, and finish another Etsy item. And then I kind of like take these top goals and integrate like how I'm going to achieve them throughout the week. And then later in the week, not too much going on. Like I said, I still need to kind of fill some stuff in. This is just a general idea of how the week's going to go. But we have Pilates, the gym, work on Etsy. I have a dentist appointment on Friday, and then I have brunch at 11 on May 8th for Mother's Day. So this really helps me get set up to have the best week possible and the most productive week possible. And I really encourage you guys to just like get a planner, just kind of like plan out your week, just like a really rough outline. All right, you guys, well, that wraps up the Sunday reset routine. I will say, the one other thing I typically do is apply a self-tan, but I'm kind of enjoying my natural color right now. I do still have self-tan on from last week, but it's a little bit faded. And I don't know, like not really in the mood to self-tan this week. I kind of like, I don't know, like I said, my natural color. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday reset routine. Like I said at the beginning of this video, comment down below what your guys' favorite like weekly or Sunday reset routine activity is. I would love to know and may implement it into my Sunday reset routine. But I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.